Yeah, I found the roundtable discussions pretty good because I think everybody was more candid, and then they were sharing their experiences as well as raising a lot of questions to the different participants, not just the moderator. And so we had a very good, conversation going around and with a lot of insights. Yeah.
I really like the roundtable because it gives us, all of us, a chance to really listen to the different perspectives of, both the customers or solution providers. So for us to really understand, where each of us are in the different phases of our digital transformation journey, and it's really a great time to learn from one another.
I find it very interesting, especially with a roundtable. Because the kind of questions and the experience that shared in the roundtable session especially are very insightful. People from different industries brought up the concern or their point of view to the table, and that's very rare it happening anywhere.
Well, what I've seen is that basically it's the who's who of Indonesia that's here. All either the IT directors, CIOs, or people involved in this area are all here. So I found it very high caliber, in general.
Like the pool of attendees are good. I think it comes from a very diverse background. So we have the 4.0 companies like the e-commerce and the startups, as well as traditional brick and mortar companies. So there's a really good mix of the new and the old. And the attendees are also of the right level. So we are looking at a lot at the executive level, people that are decision makers or influencers. So it's a right mix of people that we are seeing in this event.
Valley, it's really quality people, right? The delegates are really from, know their topic very well. They are the important people in their respective company, right? They are the decision maker there. So really great time to talk to them.
Well, for one-on-one meeting, I think it's good that we can discuss directly to the other company that can provide us some kind of service in terms of the technology that we can apply to our business.
So I guess the one-to-one meetings have been very beneficial because it gives me the opportunity to really interact closely with the prospects and to really understand, what their business challenges are and how, as a solution provider, we can be able to add value to them, as well as really to understand their whole buying process and timelines. So I guess it's good that we are able to have a very intimate setting with these prospects.
Well, I think it's both sides. From a sponsor or vendor point of view, hearing very frank and insightful sharing from the companies attending, that's valuable. At the same time, I think the input or point of view from the vendor side, it also reaching a wider audience at one place. That's not you don't see that quite often.
Right.
Yeah.
So I would say that the companies that will benefit the most are those who are looking at using data to transform their business. Right. So that is the first category of people. Secondly, the companies that are really looking at the digital transformation experience, right? Trying to move away from the traditional business model to look at how to leverage technology to bring up to the next level. So these are really the two types of profiles that will benefit from this sessions.
Any company really that, doesn't necessarily have to be an IT company, but any company really that is forward thinking and willing to try and invest in these new technologies that are taking shape right now. So I would say, it's really quite broad across different industries.